Services, Qwashers, RAYBURN YouTube. Danfoss fuel pump, the BFA01L3. What some customers don't realise is there's a little protection filter inside these fuel pumps, so when you think the fuel pump itself has gone, always make certain that this little filter inside here is clean. So what I'm simply going to do is undo this first of all and show you where that filter is. So as you look at the filter on the fuel outlet side, which is this, inside there what you've simply got is a very fine filter. That can get clogged up very easily, so always make certain before you go buying a new fuel pump that this is not clogged. If this does get clogged, it then can cause the actual fuel pump starvation, so it can damage the fuel pump. So that's one little check to check for first before you start buying a new fuel pump. The other thing is, make sure that the fuel pump is getting a message. So I've simply got here a little device. What we're going to do is simply show you how to test this solenoid. So we've got 240 volt. This is a 240 volt black solenoid. So we'll plug it in. If we take the cap off the end, you can actually see it magnetising. So if we've got something else down there, put a screwdriver or an Allen key down the stem, it will grip it. You know then that that solenoid is okay, there's nothing wrong with it. If it's not doing that, you've got a message down that's actually activating the solenoid that's at fault. As you can hear, and that's gripping hold. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, RAYBURN YouTube.